Yo, guys, yo, family, yo, traders, yo, ruffians. How you guys doing? How is your weekend going? It's the Rough Trader here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Watch GG, guys. So, this is another episode of the weekly Forex market outlook. And the pairs we pay attention to GBPJPY, GBPUSD, and XAUUSD. Yes, guys. So, guys, please like my videos. Please, let's grow this channel, guys. Kindly like my videos. I'm begging. So let's go to our chart. So let's start with GBPJPY. Let's see what's happening on GBPJPY. So this is GBPJPY on the daily time frame. But let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So this is GBPJPY on the weekly time frame. So when price opened with a long bullish candlestick last week. So I knew something was about to happen. The only thing I was waiting for was price to beat this next week, this week of this candlestick, but price could not beat it. So I knew something wanted to happen. So I paid attention to GBPJPY. Honestly, I had sell buyers on GBPJPY last week because I was just expecting a sell. But when price opened with a bullish candlestick, with a bullish impulse last week, I knew something wanted to happen. But still, I still held on to my bearish bias on GBPJPY. Now see the way the candlestick ended last week. It ended with a bearish candlestick. But are we still going to see some bearish push downward on GBPJPY? So let's analyze. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's going to happen. So let's just check pressure here, there's a buy pressure here. So we can just this is this one here, there's a buy pressure here, there's another buy pressure here. So that's why I had to draw that one here. And this was where the rejection happened because there's a structure here, there's a very small structure here. Now, price already changed direction because this is a lower high now. And this is a lower high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high. But let's see what's going to happen. If price is also going to beat this low or come down to this low. So let's just see. Can mark this out. Okay. So this is an uptrend. So definitely we are going to complement it with the trend line. This is an uptrend. So I know the trend is your friend. You always put that at the back of your mind. The trend is your friend. So we already have a trend here. So let's just go to the 1 hour time frame to balance the trend line. So I sorry to adjust the trend line, yeah, to adjust the trend line. Okay, yes, we already have a trend here. We already complemented and price broke out from the trend line. Price broke out from the trend line. So let's pay attention to market structure. Let's see what we can mark because I saw price broke out from this. Price broke out. Initially, I was expecting NFP is high around this area and price to come back here to this point before a rejection downward for a sell, but price didn't react to that place. So price just reacted to this hidden one here and started coming down. But let's see if we are still going to expect a push upward before a sell downward or a continuation, a buy continuation upward. Okay, so this is GBPJPY. This is what GBPJPY is doing presently. Okay, so GBPJPY is on a support area. So the only thing we're expecting is either price breaks below and starts coming downward, or price starts going upward. You understand? Either price breaks below this place and starts going down, or price continue to push upward. And if price even continue to push upward, that does not mean it wants to continue going upward. Price might just make a rejection to this point here. And there's a psychological key level of 16300 there before price starts coming downward, or if price can just continue going upward. So this is the main point. This is the main point we're waiting for. So we wait patiently for price to either break below and continue for a sell, or go up to this point for a correction before a sell impulse downward, or a break above this place. So that's what we are looking out for on GBPJPY. So let's go to GBPUSD. You know, this pair, we've been paying attention to this pair. We've been paying attention to this pair for a very, very long time. We've been following up with the sell, looking for a bullish reversal so we can profit from the market. So this is last month's candlestick ended with a depletion. So this is this month's candlestick. We don't know if it's going to fill up this week. We don't know if it's going to fill up this week, or it just wants to sell to a particular point before a bullish reversal upward. So this is the main support here. This is the main support here. Let's just draw that. So let's go to the daily time frame or weekly time frame. Probably we're going to see anything to mark. Oh, there is nothing to even mark here. Let's just go to the daily time frame. Okay, this is the daily time frame. So price couldn't get to this high here. Price couldn't get to this high. But as a forex trader, you need to be very, very sensitive. There's a structure here. There's a structure here. Let me mark it out. That was where price reacted to on GBP So let's just spot that out. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what we can also mark again. This is an overall downtrend. Yeah. Oh, price. Okay, let me just stop drawing the trend line from here. Okay, so let's pay attention to the current trend. The current inner trend is obviously a bullish trend. Yes, the current inner trend is obviously a bullish trend. So let's complement it with trend lines. So we've drawn the trend line below. Let's draw another one above. Okay, so We already spotted out a trend. So let's mark out some zones or levels on GBPUSD. GBPUSD looks clearer than GBPJPY, but let's start marking out some levels. There's a sell pressure here, and there's a buy pressure here. You see the wick when I change it to a candlestick. Can you see? So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So let's also mark another level on this place. Can you see the buy pressure here on GBPUSD too? So let's mark it out. So GBPUSD is currently trapped at this point. So GBPUSD is presently trapped at this point. So what we are waiting for now is either price breaks below and continues selling, or price goes up for a retracement before the sell on GBPUSD. Either price goes up and starts coming down for a sell on GBPUSD. And this is an ascending megaphone pattern. In an ascending megaphone pattern, we tend to see a breakout below because there's a rejection up from this upper part here. So we tend to see a a breakout below for a sell in an ascending megaphone pattern. You guys can also read about the ascending megaphone pattern for a better understanding. So this is what I'm watching out for or looking out for on GBPUSD. So let's go to the last pair, the last under the list, gold. So this is gold on the weekly time frame. Honestly, I feel gold is still going to sell. I feel gold is still going to sell to this point, to this area here. With this upper area, I feel gold is still going to sell there. But let's just capitalize on what is happening presently in the market. So let's go to the daily time frame. Or, or let's just go to the 4 hour, the clear impulse. Yeah. Okay. Obviously, this is a bearish trend. This is obviously a bearish trend. So we are marking it out. Okay, good. So we've already spotted out our trend. So it's high time we start marking out zones. The zones we can see, the inner zones we can see. Checking for buy pressures and sell pressures. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out for on gold. And I can also see an inner trend, which is a bullish trend on gold. Even though gold already rejected here, forming a double top here. So let's see, let's just spot it out. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to spot it out properly. Okay, this is an ascending channel, which we already got a break below. So let's see if we can mark this place on gold, which is a neckline. There's a neckline here on gold. So let's just mark the neckline out. If we change to a line chart, you see the impulse. Can you see buy impulse, a little buy impulse? So let's just mark it out. Okay, so this is what we're expecting on gold, because we actually have in my telegram channel, I dropped a sell on gold, which is presently in profit. We are running in profit, in huge profit. So we expect price to, we don't know, to possibly break below for a sell, or we expect price to come back here for a correction before it starts coming out, or price can still continue going up. We react to what we see. We don't own the market. We react to what we see in the market. So that's what I'm looking out for on gold in next week's market. We expect a possible breakout below, or a correction to test the structure it broke. A correction to test the structure it broke, creating a lower high before a sell downward. So that's that on GB. This is so GBPJPY, GBPUSD, and XAUUSD. So guys, don't forget to like and hit subscribe for more content. Please don't forget to like. Thank you, family. Stay off.